MacroSolid is a set of tools which provide solutions to everyday challenges of designers' work. All solutions were created as a result of close cooperation with companies and developed directly with SolidWorks users. Over 13 years of development, 70 functionalities and 1 certified add-in. Get data from the model, filter by component type, file properties, name and then sort them. Decide what you want to display in the columns of the bill of materials table. From views you will learn, among other things, if you completed all the properties, defined materials, colors, did you use the appropriate R radius and K factors for the sheet's metal. You will find out whether you have used the applicable drawing formats and if you have generated files intended for production. Work with macros on the entire bill of materials table or on selected components. Act on the active document or files in a folder. Define file properties, organize the feature manager tree, color models, generate PDF, DXF or STEP files. Generate 2D drawings, replace drawing formats and print. Everything on your own settings, on the version of the software you have configured. Generate a bill of materials for sheets metal, profiles, commercial elements, sorted, with the image of a component or a barcode. Save material list to Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, CSV, and PDF files. Focus on design, not clicking. Eliminate unnecessary tasks and speed up work that can be automated. Save time and money with MacroSolid.